The trouble code W3276 in your Bobcat machine means that one of the joysticks or both of them can't communicate with the electrical system for some reason. You will most likely get one of or several other codes related to the joystick, and this will help you identify which exact joystick is causing the problem. In most cases, the W3276 code comes down to two most common reasons: the wiring or the connectors in one of the joysticks being faulty, or the joystick itself nearing the end of its life. So the first thing you should do is to try and check all the connectors in the joystick. If you get other codes to confirm that the problem is, for example, with the left joystick, this will narrow down your inspection. But if the W3276 is the only code you get, you will have to take off and inspect both joysticks. During your inspection, look for any broken wires, but pay major attention to the connectors. If you see a corroded pin or loose connector, this is very likely the source of your problem. Also, unplug the connectors on the gateway controller and see if they look good. Any corrosion here, which is green residue or blue residue on the pins, means that you need to clean them really well with a good contact cleaner. If you can't locate the culprit and still get this code, the most likely reason is the faulty joystick. There is no way you can calibrate the old joystick with these codes, since the system just doesn't see it and can't communicate with it. The problem may be internal. It's usually something with the electronic components inside the base of the joystick, which is probably repairable, but usually owners just buy a new joystick along with the base and the problem disappears. I've also seen once this code being erased after the 12-volt battery had been disconnected for several minutes, but after several working hours the code came back and the joystick still had to be replaced.